This is the 8th bridge we are crossing before we get to Wli Falls. Yeah, it's left with the last one.
It's about 30 to 45 minutes walk.
30 to 45 minutes walk.
Yes. But if you take motor, it's about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 to 15 minutes.
20 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. So you see, we are on a motorbike to Wli Falls. Yeah. We are 3 on the motorbike. Apart from the Wli Falls, what are some of the side attractions?
We have Afajato, the tallest mountain in Ghana.
Okay.
We have the Snake Kingdom.
Snake Village, okay.
Yeah. We have the Tagbo Falls.
Tagbo Falls.
Yeah, the most silent waterfalls. Silent. We have Lipe Cave.
Lipe Cave. Is it close?
Yeah.
From here to Lipe, how many minutes?
Oh, it will take us like something like 20 minutes motor riding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have Kente Within also.
Okay.
We have the Canopy Walk. Amajope.
Okay.
And many more, you know.
Okay.
Volta is full about nature.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you are ready to explore Volta region, then we the tour guides will be ready for you and the bikers.
Yeah. This is also another bridge we are crossing.
So you'll be crossing 9 bridges.
We'll be crossing 9 bridges. Oh, wow.
So this is the 3rd one we just crossed.
Okay, so he said we'll be crossing 9 bridges before we get to Wli Falls. Yeah. So we just crossed the 3rd one. So when we got here, we had to get down from the motorbike because the motorbike cannot cross this lane. So we had to get down and walk to join the motorbike again. Yeah. You see, that's our rider. We are on our way to Wli Falls. When you walk, it's about 45 minutes. And when you take a motorbike, it's about 20 minutes. Yeah. So at this juncture, you have to get down again because the motorbike cannot cross this path. So yeah, so to get to Wli Falls, you have to cross about 9 bridges before you get to Wli Falls. So we've already crossed 3, so it's left with 6 for us to cross before we get to Wli Falls. And it is the highest waterfall in West Africa,
the tallest and the highest.
Yeah. So we are still on our way to the Wli Falls, the highest in West Africa and the tallest in Ghana. I am walking about 10 minutes before I get to the Wli Falls. This is the 4th bridge we are crossing before we get to Wli Falls. Yeah, you can see the old bridge over there. Yeah. And this river is called Agomacha. Yeah. And you can see over there, this is the 5th bridge. This is the 5th bridge that we are crossing to Wli Falls. As I said earlier on, you cross 9 bridges before you get to Wli Falls. So this is the 5th bridge we are crossing. When you check over there, you can see there's another bridge. Yeah, that is the 6th bridge, the 6th bridge. Going to Wli Falls is not easy. And you can see the bag is very heavy. Yeah. Yeah. So thanks to the authorities of Wli Falls. When you walk every 30 seconds, you are going to meet a dustbin. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah, check over there. You see, that is the 7th bridge. Yeah. We're crossing 9 bridges before we get to Wli Falls. Let's go. This is the 7th bridge we are crossing before we get to Wli Falls. Yeah, let's go. You see, aside the waterfalls, even the nature walk is also nice. Yeah. You can visit Wli Falls to enjoy this nature walk, the serene environment. Yeah. That is true nature. Nature is beautiful. Check around. Yeah. You see, when you check over there, yeah, you can see there's another bridge. This is the 8th bridge. This is the 8th bridge we are crossing before we get to Wli Falls. Yeah, it's left with the last one. As I said earlier on, there are 9 bridges you will cross before you get to Wli Falls. Let's go. Aside the Wli Falls, the water which is flowing from up to down, you can also visit the Wli Falls. This is a forest. You can sit at the banks of this river to enjoy, the natural flow of the water. Use the natural flow of this water to meditate as well. So this is also part of the tourism in the Wli Falls. Let's go. So, my guys, you can see I'm very tired. Wow. This is the last bridge I am crossing before I get to Wli Falls. This is the 9th bridge. The 9th bridge. When you are coming to Wli Falls, you cross 9 bridges before you get to the exact location. So this is the 9th bridge I'm crossing. You see, as I said earlier on, you can visit Wli to enjoy this natural flow of water. You can use the sound of this natural flow of water to meditate. Yeah. So, in fact, I've really enjoyed visiting Wli Falls.